Good Monday morning, kids. It's going to be a great week in math class this week. Monday, you're going to do a warm up. It's going to be via MobiMax, and then I want you to take a screenshot of that warm up when you're done and turn it into Classroom. And then what you're going to do is you're going to watch some videos on shapes of distribution. You're going to watch a Khan Academy video and learn a little bit about those. And then I want you to try doing the Big Idea questions 9.1b. It's an assignment in your Big Ideas math book. When you're done with that, do play the Kahoot link. It'll be in Classroom as well. Get that done and you're all done for the day. But you need to take screenshots of these things when you're done and turn them into Google Classroom. That's all for Monday. On Tuesday, you have a warm up. It's going to be a Google Doc. It's going to be either a math mashup or which one doesn't belong. I think it's a which one doesn't belong on Tuesday. And then you're going to be taking notes with me. And then you have an exit ticket with me. On Wednesday, you're with me again, and we're going to learn about mean, median, mode, and range. You're going to be taking some notes, and then you will not have any closure activity on that except for to take a picture of your notes and turn it in. Thursday, you are not with me. You will be learning about shapes of distributions. Again, you're going to answer the questions. Actually, that's wrong. You're going to watch a video. Okay, kids, happy Monday. I just wanted to remind you that this document right here is a great way for you to see what you have to do every day for the entire week. And I will have links in there for you as well, but I'd prefer you go through Classroom because you can turn things in via Classroom. Most of the things are going to require screenshots this week, so make sure you're getting good at that. You might want to practice that a little bit. I will send you a video every day that you have async work. Have a great week.